Hey, future me, cutting into my video to tell you the good news that JB Stylebox has cleared up their space and there is no longer a wait list for the JB Stylebox. If you have been on the fence thinking about getting it, they're taking new clients. You can get your first box. So check out the video, check out all the things that you can request, that you can talk to a very personalized stylist. If you use my name in the description and link below, you can get 20% off your first box. And that also gives me 20% off. So I thank you, because if you check out this box, I could have really used 20% off on this box. They do a great job. It's a lot of fun. So here is JB Stylebox. Hello, beautiful people. My name is Kristin. Thank you for stopping by my channel today. I have JB Stylebox. This is a clothing subscription service that comes out of Holland, Michigan. You pay the $20 styling fee. You do need to keep a $50 item or more to have the $20 applied, but it is a super fun, super personalized, super beautiful service. And I just have a really good luck. I do recommend going onto their website and picking an item that you think you would get anyway and asking your stylist to send that, because then you're kind of guaranteed. But I didn't do that this time. This is the first time I have not done that. I just said, send whatever. So we'll see. And they do personalize little notes and pictures of the outfits. That looks super cute, super like me. And then they give you a little pricing sheet with all the prices. Look at that fun print going into spring, right? Whew. So I had a little cardigan on today that actually came from JB, but then I got hot because I got my groceries, came home, and look at this. There's a little sweet necklace. It says light on it. His light, your story is what the world needs. But you are a chosen people, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, God's special possession, that you may declare the praises of him who called you out of darkness and into light. 1 Peter 2:9. So it's based on scripture. JB and Me is owned by Christians, and they have a lot of devotion books and home goods and jewelry and things that are faith-based. So I love this 14 karat gold plated. I totally love that. I would wear that for sure. And this is a gorgeous, this is Liverpool. Liverpool does me right. So this is really thin. I don't know if you can see through, but I can, when I hold it up to the window, I can see the light coming through. So it's just super light, super beautiful colors. It's pretty true to colors on the screen. Oh, this is pretty. And then look, there's a pleating detail in the back and the kind of draped sleeve. That is gorgeous. Oh, I like these. These are like an ecru cream color. Are they? Oh, and they're not distressed, so I could wear them to work. I like these. Liverpool as well. So straight leg. Yeah, completely straight leg. Love that color. Love that color. I do not have any, I mean, do I have I don't think I even have a white pair of jeans right now, because maybe, I think they don't fit right now. Oh my gosh, what in the world? Amy, this is such a good box. Who is this by? Is this a Free People? Yes, this is a Free People. Okay, so cute, multi designs. Oh my gosh. The back, look at that. It's like Arctic poppies and some plaid and some gorgeous colors. Oh, I love that. I love that. And even if it's short, I think it would be cute picking up like some bright colored leggings and then some little booties. Love it. Love it. Oh, and I forgot. I asked her to, told me about the Farmhouse products, and I've never used any Farmhouse products. Farmhouse Fresh. So this is 3 Milk Ageless Moisturizer. This looks great. I was thinking like a huge body lotion, but this maybe could even be for face and everything, right? Yeah, with firming peptides. Use morning and evening on cleansed skin, around face, under eyes, neck. This is great. This is great. So if I like this, I'm gonna ask for the body lotion too, because I think I'm almost out of my body lotion. I have a little, but it's dry right now, y'all, with the winter. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is great. It's like Christmas. Okay, sorry about the crinkling. Okay. Oh, I think I almost asked for this. Just know me, Amy. What is this? Z Supply. So this is like a sophisticated sweatshirt. It's got a collar and V-neck, but it's pretty much a sweatshirt, and it's just like a neutral dressed up sweatshirt. And I thought, gosh, if that's not super thick, I could really get into that. And here it is for me to try. And look at this. Look at this. This is very boho. Oh, they are. I was wondering if it was a skirt or pants. I love it. Oh, I'm in trouble. This is Free People as well. So I bought I think it was Free People, the tiger pants, and I love them. I'm obsessed. I try not to wear them too much because they're so unique. I love this. I don't know if you can tell, but there's, oh no, it's not on this side. It's only on this side. It like flares out. It's got like an extra panel flare. And I think the end is raw, so you could probably, if they're long, I might be able to get somebody who has a steady hand and fabric scissors and just make them the right length. Or hem them. Loved it. Let's see, one more item. Another Liverpool blazer. This is nice. I don't know that I kept the blazer. I had one nice black blazer and I never even wore it. And then I was thinking if I wore a blazer, I'd probably want one more casual. And this one's kind of what I was thinking. I was actually thinking like an olive, but yeah, I really like this one. I like Liverpool. And look how nice it's gonna go with those pants. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, I forgot. I've got a bonus. I've got a bonus Stitch Fix Shop Your Look. Bonus Shop Your Look. Bonus Stitch Fix Shop Your Look. Look. How cute. How cute. It's like canvas and real suede. And then not a very big heel, but supportive. I just hope it's not too tight. I love the stitching. Can you see that? Oh, so cute. And it's gonna go so good. So good. So good. All right, let's try. Okay, so it's the morning. I got some good morning light. This may be the best light that I've discovered. So this, to start off with, I had to put on the Free People Agnes printed dress. It is $168. And when I walked out, my husband really disliked it. I do admit the reason why he disliked it is he said the shape of it just looks maternity. There are pockets in it which kind of add extra here, but it does have a nice pattern with a V, so I think that's a little slimming, and I just think it's really cute. I actually like the length on it. I probably would wear it with some leggings at times, but I would totally just wear this. So let me show you all the pattern play. And it looks really cute with the Stitch Fix boots. But at that price point, I'm definitely not going to pick up something that my husband flat out dislikes. You know, sometimes he's neutral about things, but I think probably even on sale, I'm just not going to wear something that I know my husband doesn't like me in. But I like this, y'all, so I'm showing it to you. It is well manufactured. Free People's a good brand. It is light and airy. You are paying a huge premium for that name brand, but I tend to find that it holds up. So I think that this is a lovely addition for the boho folks out there that would really appreciate this, and I love the colors. So let me try on the next outfit for us. I also have on the necklace. I can do a close-up of it when I'm off, but it just looks like a little sweet, delicate gold pendant. It has the word light on it, scripture-based. I really like it. Next outfit, this is the Liverpool fitted blazer. I do not typically gravitate towards blazers. I don't really own them. It's not a staple in my wardrobe, but part of that is, you know, just that I've never found one that I really loved. And I actually really, really like this borderline love. It is comfortable, it is stretchy, it fits well. It doesn't have buttons or zipper or any way to close it. You wear it open. I do like the length. It came actually cuffed. I usually don't go for the 3/4 length, but you could wear it that way if you wanted to. Put in a couple cuffs. I like the casual soft collar. I think it is fitted and tailored so that it's still professional, but you know, very, very comfortable and versatile. I like the mauve color, and it goes really, really well with the blouse. I will take off the blazer. So the Liverpool mauve top, it's got a ruffle that's actually attached in a cross style. So this is like a ruffle crisscross that's permanently in place. I like the little flutter sleeve. I really like the length of it. You can wear it out, especially if you have a blazer or a cardigan over top. I would wear it out. It is thin and sheer, so you can kind of see a layer underneath. But honestly, I tried it on the first time without anything underneath, and you couldn't really tell. So, and the pants are awesome. Liverpool Stride wide leg has the normal button zip, pockets in the front, pockets in the back. It has a little crop length, but it's pretty much full length on a 5'2" girl. I do appreciate the wide leg. I really appreciate the bone cream color. I think it's got a good fit. It's not gaping at the waistband. It's I've got a little extra that it cuts into, but it's not uncomfortable or cutting into me. So yeah, these are great pants, great top, great jacket. I'm gonna have to make some choices. Let's see what the last outfit is. Okay, this is the Z Supply Mauve top. I was thinking it was mauve, the color, and that was the flutter blouse. So I like this elevated sweatshirt, right? It's got the collar, it's got the V-neck, it has kind of a polished snap that actually work on the sleeves. Just super cute cream color. It's a little slightly, it's just regular. I was gonna say it's slightly cropped, but it's actually not. I think even when you lift up your hands all the way, it's not gonna come above your waistline. So let me show you the back. Relaxed fit, but super, super comfortable. Not overly thick. I would need a cooler day. Definitely in the 70s, I can't be wearing it. But if it's in the 50s, I could definitely wear this and probably even get away wearing it to work on a more casual day. And probably even with these pants, which are adorable. These are the Free People, what do you call these? The Free People Youthquake Flare. So it's got the button zipper, does not have front pockets, but it does have back pockets. And then it has the great bell pant leg. They are supposed to be a little cropped, but again, on a 5'2" girl, they are perfectly full length. I walked out in this outfit and my husband loves it. He's like, that is a 10. That is like such a great outfit. That's the outfit you need. So I'm leaning, let's have a little kind of recap talk because I would love your feedback. I am going to keep the 3 Milks moisturizer. I can use it and I want to try it out. So I will try to remember to let you know next month how that worked out for me. So I'm gonna keep that for sure. I'm going to keep this outfit, I think, for sure. The only question at all is a sweatshirt in Texas. Because to be perfectly honest, in about a month, maybe 2 months, I'm not gonna be able to wear this at all. So it's almost late in the season. So, you know, I could like send it back and then hope that it goes on sale sometime in the future because the supply, you know, has at least similar products. So I guess I'm not 100% sure on this. I think these pants are so unique and so me, and I do have things that I can wear with them. So I think the pants are for sure and the moisturizer for sure, but now I need to know, I'm doing bills today. So however far my budget goes, that's what I'm going to get, because honestly, to be perfectly honest, besides maybe the dress because it's pricey and my husband didn't like it, I probably will definitely send that back, but that's the only piece I will definitely send back. And I loved it. So I hope somebody else out there gets it and appreciates it on my behalf. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments, what are the next priority keepers? There's the Z Supply sweatshirt. There's the beautiful floral, the fun blazer, the cream colored pants. I might need to keep the cream colored pants. They were such a good fit and very versatile, right? So, and oh, the Stitch Fix shoes. They're comfortable. They are on sale. There's no reason not to keep these. So those are definitely a keep too. So let me know in the comments the order. Say you should keep this. And then if there's something you think I definitely shouldn't keep, let me know that too. I do listen to your input and help me think through my priorities on what I'm keeping and what I'm sending back. So I appreciate you stopping by, spending some time doing some shopping. If you are interested in these, all of them I think are lovely and worth checking out. So get a JB Stylebox and see for yourself.